This is Motorola Moto G23, and today I'm going to demonstrate that you can set the screen timeout value to never on this device. So to begin with, we will need to download and install the Caffeine app. So open up the Play Store, make sure that you're connected to Wi-Fi, find this particular app, and well, install it. The process of which, as you will be able to see now, does not take a lot of time whatsoever. So next, launch the app. Make sure that the timeout section has been set to be infinite, and as long as you do not close the app, it will make it so that your screen will not go to sleep automatically, thus will not automatically turn off at all. Alrighty, so that will be it. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.